What's up, basketball? It's the Daily Trainer back with some more hard work for your body. Hope you got your energy ready for today, because in a matter of moments we're about to go in. Basketball, you family. Are you ready? Because I am. We're just gonna get into it right here, right now. So let's go through a nice warm-up today. Stretch out that soreness from this week's workouts. We got our arm circles for about a good 20 seconds each. Let's make sure we are going through our rotations to get that range of motion warmed up so we can be ready to get all that scoring we love so much. Make sure we get our jumping jacks in with 30 today. Then we are going to go ahead and get those 2-foot jump ropes in 3 sets of 100. Pick up the speed when you start to feel the burn. This is going to help those quick twitch muscles respond when you are tired. Then we need to get ready and get those cones out, because today we are getting those handles right. It's all about combination moves today. These moves are going to be hard to do, but it's good for beginners and good for everyone that has been getting better so far. Let's get to it. First things first, we are going to get that double cross move going, working that back and forth on the snap dribble and maneuvering through the cones like you're trying to blow by that pesky defender that is always trying to put ball pressure on you. Then we are going to go behind the back and cross over, making that defender miss at any attempt to reach that ball. No better feeling than shaking the defender who is too aggressive. Remember, we are working on snapping the dribble, and during the process of learning, it is okay to keep your head and eyes down because you're trying your best to learn a skill, not trying to be Michael Jordan or LeBron James. If you turn that ball over, you'll find yourself eating a bit on the sidelines, being a fan. So let's not let that happen, basketball, you. Now the rest of the combinations, we're going to do a little cross through the legs, through the leg cross, and through the legs behind the back. If you step on the cones, no worries. If you kick the cones, just keep working. You can always reset the cones and get back to work. Also, all of these dribbling drills should be done in sets of 7. You want to get a good feel out there for each set of combinations that you do. Now that we are through with our dribbling process, it's time to get into some defense. Now let's get some running and quick defensive sets in, with running around the perimeter and working the defensive slide around the perimeter as well. How do we become better every day? By pushing ourselves every time we decide to step on the floor, and that starts with being in great shape and trying to push through being tired, like you will be in this drill going back and forth. After running each set on the perimeter, you're going to do speed skaters, which will help you with your lateral explosion and that Euro step everyone loves to do so much. Then you are going to do the W drill through the 2 cones and make sure you're really working the back pedal part of the drill, as you are going to fill in your quads and you're going to get a little tired. We are going to do 5 sets of this full circuit. So it starts with the perimeter run, then the perimeter slide, then you go right into speed skaters, and then you have to do the W drill. Woo! Get those feet moving. We don't have time to waste. The season is here, baby. That's a lot of movement and a lot of running you have done just now. So why not take a breather and treat yourself with a water break? Basketball requires a lot of fatigue and a lot of energy, quick pace, and ongoing. Basketball requires a lot of movement, with the ball and without the ball. So keep that in mind. Get that cardio moving, basketball, you family. Now, as we approach the end of the week, you know we can't forget about shooting. And what better way to start it off? With some threes. So let's get up those threes right now and with some star shooting. But only this time, you're gonna shoot 2 shots at each spot today. We're gonna do 7 sets of the star drill today. So let's make some shots. That means you have to make 2 free throws instead of 1 to complete the set. Be sure to have energy and to have fun while you're out there shooting. You put in a lot of work to see that ball go in the hoop. If you want to record a video of your shooting and send it to us, go ahead. We will take a look at it. and try to help you get better in the process of you developing your in-game jump shot on the move. Now that we have got through doing a lot of shooting, it's time to get up close to the basket with some layups. This one's gonna be quick and simple. You need 5 layups on each side, 5 floaters on each side, and then be sure to do those floaters down the middle. Also, be sure to get those layups in with the footwork that we do on a regular basis. Also, don't just attempt 5 layups, make 5 layups. There is a difference. Be a shot maker, not a shot taker. Pick up your pace on each set of layups that you do in today's drill. Now, before we conclude with today's workout, it's time to keep them hands and feet on the motive, especially with this tough drill coming up, and that's the rebounding drill. We haven't done this one yet, but you're going to get a very nice jumping workout here as you're going to throw the ball off the backboard, rebound it, and put it back up on the air while on the air. In this drill, we are going to make 7 on each side. Now, the most important part of this drill is trying to catch the ball at its highest point when jumping and timing it perfectly for a shot at the basket before touching the ground again. Now, if you find this drill a bit difficult for you, you can finish with broad jumps and one-leg square hops. A set of 10 will do the job. After feeling that burn, be proud of yourself for doing such a great job this week and continue to strive for more each week as you continue to be the best ball player you want to be. As days go by, you are improving every day to become the best ball player that you can be, especially if you are here with us at Basketball U with the Daily Trainer. Remember, you're not competing against anyone but yourself every day, so you have to push yourself by yourself and be the best for yourself. That will do for today's workout right here on Basketball U. And before we go, there's one more thing you always have to remember. Someone's always working. Are you?